YouTube is full of channels making thousands every month without showing their face, recording a voice, or even editing the videos manually. Today, I'm going to show you 5 proven YouTube channel types that are earning $3,000 or more per month, and how you can build your own using AI. Before we jump into the first channel type, let's quickly talk about how you can estimate how much these faceless channels actually earn. The most reliable way is by looking at 3 things: their average views per video, their upload frequency, and the average ad rates for their niche. These rates are known as CPM or cost per 1,000 views. Here's a simple breakdown of average CPM ranges by niche. Faceless storytelling channels, $6 to $12 CPM, lo-fi music stream channels, $2 to $4 CPM, educational explainer channels, $7 to $14 CPM, AI tools review channels, $7 to $14 CPM, motivational channels, $2 to $6 CPM. So for example, a faceless storytelling channel that gets around 1 million views per month could earn between $6,000 and $12,000 per month from YouTube ads alone. Keep in mind, that's only ad revenue. Many of these channels also earn extra from affiliate links, sponsorships, or digital products, which can multiply their total income significantly. Now let's dive in. This niche is exploding. Faceless storytelling channels that share mysterious true crime or bizarre event narratives can easily pull in 500,000 to 3 million views per month, depending on audience size and upload frequency. With an average CPM for this niche between $6 and $12 per 1,000 views, that works out to around $3,000 to $36,000 per month from ad revenue alone. Just as an example, here's what a channel in this niche looks like. These channels have built large audiences and consistent traffic, all using a faceless, voiceover-driven storytelling style. And the best part? You don't need to record your own voice or appear on camera. AI tools for script writing, voice generation, and image creation can automate almost the entire production process. Here's how you build it. Start with ChatGPT. It's your idea engine. You can prompt it to brainstorm story topics, generate suspenseful titles, and write the full script in a consistent narrative tone. You can even use it to suggest image prompts that match your scenes, helping you build out a cohesive visual story. Once your script is ready, head over to ElevenLabs. Choose a realistic voice that fits your story's mood. Calm and intense works great for mystery. Adjust the pacing and emotion sliders to create a delivery that feels real, not robotic. Export the voiceover once it sounds right. You can use Leonardo AI to generate custom, cinematic images for your scenes, or combine them with stock video clips to set the mood. Then go into CapCut. This is where you assemble everything. Import your voiceover, layer it with your visuals, add eerie soundtracks, and apply slow zoom effects to enhance the suspense. Finally, overlay bold, timed captions to highlight key moments. It boosts engagement, especially for mobile viewers. Once done, export and upload your video with a compelling thumbnail that hints at mystery or suspense. That's the build flow, and it works. Now you've got a channel that looks pro, sounds compelling, and is totally faceless. The second one is very interesting. Lo-fi music isn't just relaxing, it's profitable. These channels run 24/7 live streams of chill beats and rack up massive watch time and steady audience engagement. In this niche, channels commonly pull in 5 to 20 million views per month, depending on their popularity and consistency. The typical CPM for lo-fi music streams is lower, averaging around $2 to $4 per 1,000 views. But because of the sheer volume of watch time, a top channel in this space can still earn anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 or more per month in ad revenue alone. Here's what a typical lo-fi music stream channel looks like. These streams attract loyal listeners by blending chill, continuous music with calming looped animations, creating an always-on listening experience that runs with very little hands-on effort. You can build something similar using a few simple tools. Start with Udio. It's an AI music generator that lets you create calming, lo-fi instrumentals with a simple text prompt. Just describe the mood, like soft rainy day jazz with mellow drums, and it produces a full track in seconds. You can generate multiple variations and loop your favorites for long-form uploads. For visuals, besides Leonardo AI, you can try ImagineArt. It's beginner-friendly and gives you beautiful stylized results using simple prompts, perfect for chill, aesthetic loops. Then bring everything into CapCut. Import your music and visual, stretch the image across the entire video, and layer in subtle effects like film grain, soft light flicker, or camera drift to keep the loop feeling alive. You can also add a minimal intro title to brand your upload. Finally, upload it either as a long-form mix or loop it as a live stream. With consistency, these channels build deep audience loyalty and passive income. That's how people are using AI to build music channels. No studio needed. Explainer channels like this create animated videos that break down complex topics like science, space, psychology, and current events into simple, engaging visuals. In this niche, channels typically upload just a few high-quality videos per month, but still attract 500,000 to 2 million views monthly, thanks to strong audience demand and shareability. The average CPM for educational explainer content ranges from $7 to $14 per 1,000 views, which means a channel at this level could be earning anywhere from $3,500 to $28,000 per month from ad revenue alone. As an example, here's what a popular channel in this niche looks like. These channels build trust and authority by focusing on clear narration and smooth, consistent animations, all while remaining completely faceless. If you're curious about any of the tools mentioned to help build this style of channel, check the links in the description below. Let's start to build our own channel with ChatGPT. Ask it to write a short educational script on your chosen topic, anything from mental health to quantum physics. You can refine the tone, length, and format depending on whether you want a simple narration or something more detailed. It can even suggest analogies and visual scene ideas to match your narration. Then use ElevenLabs to bring the script to life. Select a calm, informative voice, and tweak the delivery speed or emotion to keep your video engaging without sounding robotic. Now for visuals. Use Canva to build infographic-style slides that walk viewers through complex ideas clearly. Here's how you do it. Start with a presentation template. This gives you a clean, slide-based layout perfect for explainer videos. Then use one of Canva's pre-built infographic templates. Just swap in your own titles and bullet points from your script, and drag in icons or charts from the Elements tab to match the topic. You can animate key elements using the fade or rise animation, then export everything as a video file. This gives you a structured, easy-to-follow visual format, no design degree needed. Finally, pull everything into CapCut. Add transitions, time your animations to the voiceover, and polish it with music or subtle effects. Export a clean 3 to 5 minute video that looks pro without needing an animator. This format is great for SEO, affiliate links, and even selling courses later on. Let's move the next one. AI tools review channels. These channels aren't just for big influencers. A faceless AI tools review channel can consistently pull in serious revenue by offering clear, helpful breakdowns of the latest software and AI platforms. Channels in this niche typically upload multiple tutorials or walkthroughs per week and average 300,000 to 1 million views per month. The average CPM for tech and AI-related content is high, usually between $7 to $14 per 1,000 views. That means even a moderately successful channel could be earning $2,100 to $14,000 per month from ad revenue alone. Here's what a real-world example looks like. Channels like this focus purely on software demos, tutorials, and comparisons, making them a perfect faceless YouTube model to automate. If you want to create something similar, without copying anyone, here's how to make it your own. Use ChatGPT to draft your review script. Give it the name of the AI tool, its main features, and what kind of user it's for. You can ask it to generate both pros and cons, headline comparisons with competitors, or even ad-style hooks to open the video. Next, do your screen recording. OBS Studio is free and gives you full control over your screen, app, or browser window. Whether you're recording a full-screen tutorial, capturing just the tool interface, or focusing on a specific workflow. For voiceover, use ElevenLabs to generate natural-sounding narration suitable for both short and long-form videos. Now, open CapCut to bring it together. Add your screen recording, sync the voiceover, and use callouts to highlight key features on screen. You can insert animated pointers, zoom-ins, or motion text to make the review more dynamic. And remember, review videos are perfect for affiliate links. Here comes the last one. Motivational channels are another great example of how you can earn with faceless content. These channels compile inspiring audio clips, speeches, or quotes with bold text animations and royalty-free footage. Channels in this niche can generate 2 to 10 million views per month, depending on how consistently they publish high-quality content. The CPM for this category tends to be lower, averaging around $2 to $6 per 1,000 views. But with high view volumes, a channel like this could still be earning anywhere from $4,000 to $30,000 per month from ad revenue alone. This is what a popular example looks like. These channels rely on fast-paced editing, powerful soundtracks, and bold text captions to keep viewer engagement high, all while remaining completely faceless. You can build this style of channel using AI tools. Start with ChatGPT to generate punchy, motivational scripts on topics like discipline, resilience, or mindset. Ask for short, high-impact lines that work perfectly as voiceover narration. Then choose a voice from ElevenLabs that feels powerful and direct, like a coach or speaker. Adjust the pacing for dramatic effect. To create custom, cinematic soundtracks that match the energy of your message, use an AI music generator like Soundraw. It lets you customize generated tracks by genre, length, and mood. Great if you want more control over musical transitions or specific structures. You simply set the mood, tempo, and length, and Soundraw instantly generates royalty-free music that fits your video perfectly. In CapCut, bring the message to life. Add dynamic stock footage, workouts, sunrise runs, slow-motion shots, and layer bold captions over the visuals. Combine it with your AI-generated music and sound effects to maximize emotional impact. With consistency and strong messaging, motivational channels can grow rapidly and deliver a steady stream of passive income, all powered by AI and without ever showing your face. There you go, 5 faceless YouTube channel types that are earning $100 per day, and how you can start building one of your own using AI tools and simple workflows. Got a channel idea you're excited about? Drop it in the comments. I might do a deep dive on that niche. When you're ready to test these tools out, you'll find links below. Most come with free plans. Hit like if this saved you time. Subscribe for more tactical drops on using AI to build smarter, earn faster, and escape the 9-5. This is the AI hustle. Let's get building.